Hello guys, I am Azhar. The concept today we are discussing is operators. But before going there, let me recap what we did yesterday. So guys, let me open this. VBScript advanced. Okay. Yesterday we discussed something about variables. What are the variables? What are the rules for the variables? What are variable declaration types? So, what is a variable? Variable is a named memory location which holds a value. Basically, it is something. It is a memory. It is something which holds a value. So, to declare a variable, we use dim. So, this value will hold. This value variable will hold some value. So, what are the rules for the variables? Variables must begin with an alphabet. Example: dim salary is correct and 123 salary is not correct. Variables cannot exceed more than 255 characters. Example, dim salary. It can extend up to 255 characters. Beyond that, variable rules will be broken. So third rule is variable should not contain dot. So example is this, and this is not considered as a variable. So the third question was, what are variable declaration types? Implicit declaration and explicit declaration. Here variables are used with a declaration. Example, val2. The value of this val variable is 2. Here we didn't declare with as a dim. So here we are printing the value of the val variable. The explicit declaration is declaring variables explicitly. It's called explicit declaration. Example, this example, dim value equal to 4, message box value. If you see this both, here we are not declaring a variable, here we're declaring with a dim. So one of the main, so one extra concept comes here, which is option explicit. It forces VBScript to declare a variable. So yesterday we have seen the examples for it. So this is the agenda for part 2. This was an agenda for part 2, and this is the recap of the part 2. So let us move to part 3. So what is the agenda for part 3? Okay, let me write an agenda for part 3. So we are going to discuss today about operators. So what is an operator? What are different types of operators? So guys, if you see what is an operator, in simple words, operator is something which performs an operation, right? So an operator can be this, as simple as this. So it can perform an operations. If I give value of A is 2 and B is 4, and if I assign C the value of A plus B, so what will be the answer? What is C is here? C is nothing but a sum of A and B. To do the sum, we need an operator. Plus is an operator. So operator is something which performs an operation or a task. Okay, guys, let's see this as a proper example. For layman terms, I wrote like this. So let us write properly. What is an operator? Operator is something which performs operation, or you can say which performs a task. Example, a simple example for understanding is this is an operator. So let us see an example with a program. Okay, so I'm not declaring any variable here, so I'll be doing implicit declaration. Fine. So let us take a value of val1 equal to 2, val2 equal to 4. So I want to add these both variables. So val3 equal to val1 plus val2. So message box val3. Let me just save this to save as. Let me click here all files. So let me put this simple operator example dot VBS. So let me execute this. So val1 was 2, val1 was 2, val2 was 4, so result will be 6. So answer is 6. So let us go back to the agenda again. So if we take an example of 1 plus 2, right? So here 1 and 1 comma 2 are called operands. And plus is an operator. Okay, then let's come to a second question. What are the different types of operators? Okay, we have 3 types of operators. We have different types of operators. Operators doing different kinds of operation, right? So what is the first one? First is arithmetic operators. Then we have comparison operators. Then we have relational operators. We'll go in depth of each and every subtask of a second question. So What is an arithmetic operator? Better write it here, right? So what is an arithmetic operator? Let's take an example which was shown before, is plus. So example of arithmetic operator plus is what it does. If a equal to 2, comma, if b equal to 3, so answer a plus b. So what will be the output? What will be the output? Output will be 5. Okay, let's take an example for this. Or let me finish all operators. Let us take an example at the end, right? Okay. So what is second one? This is an additional operator. So let me give some space between this. Okay. This is minus, it's a subtraction operation. What it does, it's the, okay, let me write what is the operation of plus also. It adds, the operation is addition. The operation is addition. Here the minus, the operation is subtraction. Subtraction. So I can take the same example here. I can just copy this, I can just paste it. So let me make a as 3, so b as 2, c will be our output for a minus b. What is output? 3 minus 2, we have 1. Okay, let us take another example. So let us write another category of now arithmetic operator. So we have something called multiplication. This operator so this operation is multiplication. So we'll take the similar example here. So we'll copy this, we'll paste it here. So if a is equal to 3, b is equal to 2, what is a into b? Right? 3 to 6. So 6 will be the output. Okay. So let us come to a fourth category, which is division. This operation is division. So let's take an example. If a equal to, so let me just copy the same above example. Let me just modify it. So let us take a is equal to 4, b is equal to 2. So a bar b, a division b. Output is, what will be the output? R plus 2. So let us go to another example, which is modulus. Modulus, what it does, it will give you the value of a remainder. So let me take a simple example here. So if a equal to 12, let me take any example. So let me take a as 12, b as 10. So a mod b output is 2 again. So it is a value of a remainder. Sorry, let me put b mod a. So b mod a value is 2. Okay, let me go to a final example. Let me go to a final example, which is here. Exponent operator. So it will have a symbol like this. So exponent operator. So let us take a simple example. So I'll copy the similar example. So let us take exponent value. So output is 4 square. 4 square is 16. Okay, these are 6 types of arithmetic operators. First is addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division, modulus, and exponent values. So let us take an example, right? So let me draw a VBScript code to cover arithmetic operators, right? So we can use a comments here. So arithmetic operation. Okay, let us take a value of a 10, b a 2, right? So let me just print the values. Let me take c a plus b d a minus b e as a multiplying b into b, f as a divided by b, h as a okay, let us print up to f in, and we'll write modulus and exponent in the printer itself, print statement itself. Okay, so the addition is ampersand c. So the subtraction is ampersand d. So this will be a multiplication statement. So the multiplication is ampersand e, and the division is f. So let me save as arithmetic operator. Arithmetic Operator.VBS. Okay, let me double click this. So addition is 12, subtraction is 8, multiplication is 20, and division is 5. So let me, okay, this is for the agenda. Let me edit this again. So let me add more statements, right? So I want what does modulus does, right? So let me put G as A mod B, H as A exponent B. So let me copy this statement. So the modulus is exponent values. The exponent value is, okay. So G and H respectively we gave G and H. So let me save this. Let me run it. Okay. The addition is 12. Subtraction is 8. The multiplication is 20. Division is 5. The mod value is 0. So the modulus gives the remainder, right? The exponent value is 10 square, is 100. So we did cover the entire arithmetic operators. And if you're really keen about doing more about arithmetic operators, you can take any examples of any two operands and you can use all these operators and you can just play around, right? So without any further ado, let us move to comparison operators. What is a comparison? It's a comparison between the two operands. You can compare greater than, you can compare less than, right? Okay. So let us take the first operand operator for comparison. So what would be the output of a comparison operator? Output of a comparison operator is a Boolean value. So we'll cover that data types tomorrow. So let us see what is this? This checks whether just hold on. So this gives a Boolean value, true or false, between two values. So if I take an example, so this operator checks whether A is equal to B, right? So the output will always be a Boolean value. So let us take this as an example, right? So A is equal to B is equal to 3 is, we can't assign like this. So we have to print, is A equal to B? True or false? So answer is false. So let's go to a second round. Second category. What is second category? Not equal to. So this operator checks whether A is not equal to B. So let me just copy this entire thing. Let me just paste it here. So the operator changes like this. A is equal to B is equal to 3. Is it true or false? It is absolutely true. So let me go to the third category of comparison operators. So what is this? This is a greater than symbol. So this checks whether A is greater than B. So how to pronounce this? I'll just write it down. So this is equal to, this is not equal to, this is greater than. Okay, so let me take a simple example, say similar examples, not similar, same example. So example here, is A greater than B? True, no, false. Is 2, buddy. Okay, let me take another category, D. So less than, how do we pronounce it? Okay, how do we write it? Sorry. Greater than, lesser than. This operator checks whether this operator okay, from the second copy, this operator checks whether A is greater than B, A is less than B, so which is true. So let us go to sixth category, or maybe fifth category, greater than or equal to. So this is a combination of greater than or equal to. So this operation checks whether A is greater than or equal to B. Neither A is greater than B or neither A is equal to B. So this is false. So next, let me take another similar category. Let me go here, and okay. Let me put category number 6. So it is less than or equal to is another category. So the symbol changes, lesser than or equal to. Here, okay. It is greater than or equal to. It is less than or equal to. Less than or equal to, which is A is less, right? A is less than or equal to. So that is true. So yeah, let me change this. Less than or equal to. Okay. Let me write an example so we can understand more about it. So I'll be opening here, sorry. I'll be opening. Okay, minimize this. So let me write another program. Comparison operators. Let me copy the similar code. as arithmetic operators, but here we'll be doing more of or maybe let me copy up to here. That would be good. Okay. So let me put a equal 10, b equal 2. So we can't just like put it like this. So message box is a equal to b. Ampersand so C will be okay. Oh, so is A equal to B? So let me just type message box A equal to B. Okay, let me just write clause. So let me just write if A equal to B. Don't worry about if condition here. So and if A equal to B, print, let us just print they are equal, right? So forget about if condition, if statement for the time being. Let us just write comparison operators dot VBS. Or let us follow camel case. So okay, did it execute now? Okay, what is happening? So guys, it executed because A is not equal to B, it didn't print anything. So let me just write an else statement, else message box not equal. So now it will print. So it did print not equal. So let me see another example. Let me discover not equal to greater than less than. So let me just edit the same thing. Okay. If let's say what is A is not equal to B, it should print. See, if A is not equal to B, so this becomes not equal. This becomes equal. So save it. Yes, it rightly prints not equal. So let me edit it again. So I have not opened more. Okay. So if A is greater than B, so let me just print A is greater than B. Or else if not, A should be less than B, right? So let me just save it. So double click it. So it try to print A is greater than B. So let us take a similar example. So let us put same example over there. Oh, sorry, I did type. Sorry, I'll just execute the same example again because I did type, did copy it, and I didn't all I didn't alter this, right? So just write this. Okay. So A is greater than B. So let me take, if A is less than B, so this comes here. Or then or A is greater than B. So let me save it, close it. Yes. Okay, A is greater than B by A is 10, B is 2, right? Okay, let me execute. A is 10 base 2. So A is greater than equal to, is A is greater than equal to B. So if that's the case, A is greater than B. Or what will be the answer? A is definitely greater than B, right? So A is greater than B. So let me take a last example. A is less than equal to B. Lesser than B. This will be a greater than B. So let me just double click this. So A is definitely greater than B, right? Back to agenda, guys. So guys, I think we have completed the operator, we have completed arithmetic operations, comparison operators. So relation operators, we'll see for tomorrow. Let us pause this video and I'll be comparing the part 2 of operators tomorrow, and we'll see another topic also. So guys, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.